Hello everyone, in today's video I will talk to you about illegal state exception, which says that fragment, test fragment in our case, is not associated with a fragment manager. I will show you how to avoid this error, and till the end of this video you will know how to watch out on this and how to overcome this error. So let's get started. I have a main fragment which has one button that says navigate to test fragment. So this is my main fragment. It has only one button. Click listener on it, which calls nav controller navigate to this destination. This is a simple action that has its name, and the destination is test fragment. In our test fragment we have some code that sets timer, which will, after 10 seconds on test fragment, it will close it. It will just pop back, so go back to the last fragment on navigation stack. And now we can try to click this navigation. We are now on test fragment, and I will manually go back to main fragment. After a couple of seconds, my app will crash, because this handler tried, after 10 seconds, tried to run this line of code. And as we can see, fragment test fragment is not associated with a fragment manager, because we were in a main fragment. There is no test fragment anymore because I manually clicked back button and removed it. In these situations, what you need to do is call onDestroyView Android lifecycle method, which is a perfect place to clean up your resources when views are being removed because fragment is detached from the activity. And what you need to do here is call handler remove callbacks and messages. So remove all. For the token, just pass nil because we don't have anything. And the next time we try to run this project, you will see that when I navigate, I can go back and nothing will happen, because when we go back, this handler will remove this callback, so this line won't happen because this is now removed. I can navigate one more time. This time we will wait 10 seconds to see if this will work now. And as we can see, our application went back to main fragment. That's it. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and thank you very much. Bye bye.